Now, Firebird, of course, is a very important car for us for a lot of reasons. It's the standard bearer for Pontiac's brand image of excitement and performance. It's a strong symbol of Pontiac's value. And in many ways, it's becoming a symbol of the resurgence of both GM and the entire American automotive industry. But I've talked enough about it. Let's create the future right now. Next March, you're going to have this fantastic new Firebird Convertible. Let's look at that. Well, there's a couple of little additional Firebird excitement for you that's coming. This 25th anniversary Trans Am we felt was really appropriate to commemorate 25 years of Trans Ams. In 1969, for those of you that, like me, go back, you'll remember the white car with the blue patches, and that's exactly what we brought back here. If it doesn't have the hatch roofs as this does, it'll have a blue patch on the top. Special wheels that you're looking at on this vehicle, 25th anniversary white 5-spokers. And inside on this Trans Am, we've got a white leather trim. It's got 25th anniversary Trans Am embroidered on the seats, and it will have on the doors. But we put this vehicle together to make it very saleable for you. It will be priced in total at under $1,000 MSRP with the leather trim, all the stripes and wheels. We're looking appropriately, I guess, with the 25th anniversary at about $2,500 in total, and that will include a convertible version of the 25th anniversary, but not very many. As you know, we built very, very few of the 69 Trans Am convertibles, and there won't be too many, I'm sure, of because of the late startup of the convertible of this one. But we think it's going to be a lot of excitement. The vehicle will really get introduced in the winter auto shows, but it will pace the Daytona 500 in February, and we'll get quite a bit of push out of the 25th anniversary at that Daytona race, I'm sure. Over on the convertible, as I say, a March start of production here. We'll have all the bugs out of the production system from Chevrolet since they're starting up the convertible right now. It is built right in the plant. This is not a conversion. It goes right down the assembly line. Got some extra strong braces that are put in right in the body shop as they begin this. This vehicle, you absolutely can drive 70 miles an hour down the road and whisper to one another and hear one another. It's solid. It's quiet. It's got a power-operated top, one-button kind of approach. You're down and gone. It's got a neat liner in the top like the Mercedes convertible if you've driven one of those. We've got the hard, rigid boot back here so you can put the cheerleader or the football player on it for the parades or whatever you want to do. We'll have 3 color tops, white, beige, and black, so you can match up all the exterior color. It has the glass backlight in it. You can get the convertible in the base, the Formula, or the Trans Am. So we'll be able to match up whatever your customers want. All three will come with the, if you will, the base or Formula spoiler. We couldn't match up that wild Trans Am GT spoiler with a convertible, but all the rest of it would be Trans Am approach. So 10% of our Firebird production, essentially, and I think we can tweak that up to 12 to 15 as we get going, can be convertible. So we got good capacity as we get on an annual basis with this convertible. It's been priced at Chevrolet, so you know there's no mystery there. As those come out, it's roughly around $5,000 for the total feature, which includes some additional standard equipment. But we think it'll stack up very well from what we know Mustang is coming with and the rest of the competitive convertibles out there. So that's a couple of additional Firebird excitement for you. What do you think?